Today I'm going to show you why you need to create an energy board and how to do it. Stick around until the end where I tell you how you can use your energy board in combination with your vision board. Energy board versus vision board. Don't be wrong, I love my vision board and I've done them for the last couple of years and they have become true for the most part. So I'm not here to tell you that you should stop doing a vision board. I'd rather want to invite you to use energy board additionally to your vision board to enhance your experience and manifest even faster. When it comes to vision boards, we like to put on our big goals, our big desires, our aspiring dreams, and everything in between. And that is totally okay. Good to use that. However, I noticed in the past that if you visualize daily, if you look at your vision board daily, sometimes on days where you might not feel so good, so uplifted, where you don't wake up with the intention of, let's go, I got this, vision boards can feel a little bit defeating because we are reminded that we're not there yet. We're right here and it's such a long way to reach our end goal. And that leaves us in an energy that doesn't really benefit the vision. We're thinking about the lack, the things that don't work out currently, or if on your vision board is a specific amount of money that you want or even need to manifest and you just don't see it happening, that can get really frustrating. This is where the energy board comes into place. Energy board's purpose is to make you feel good when you feel this feeling of lack, this feeling of, I can't get there. How am I supposed to get there? The board focuses on uplifting you, reminding yourself of the present moment, and well, to give you energy. What goes on an energy board, you might ask? First of all, I want you to take a piece of paper or take out your phone and open the Notes app and write down a list of things that give you energy. What are energy givers in your life? We're always thinking about, oh, this is stealing my energy, this is not good for me. But what are the things that actually uplift you? What are the things that give you energy, that give you a good mood, that boost your mood? Here are a couple of examples. Rest and quality sleep, nutrition, hydration, and exposure to sunlight and air. Emotional energy givers can be people in your life that uplift you, a loved one, your pets, for example, and gratitude. Social energy givers would be the relationships you have with certain people, your friend circle, your family circle. Maybe you have a mentor or you did some kind of coaching that's what uplifts you socially. Maybe you're volunteering, giving back, that uplifts you as well and gives you also energy. Environmental energy givers, which can be a playlist that you've created. Every time you listen to that playlist, you're immediately in a good mood. It can be your space. If it's clutter-free, our mind is also free, and that brings you in a good state of mind. Certain scents that make you feel alive and good, aromatherapy, or a specific type of perfume. Once you've taken your time to write down all the things that give you energy, it's time to create your board. You can either do this digitally or physically like a vision board. If you decide to make it digitally, I encourage you to use Canva. Canva is incredible. You can just use a blank page. There's even vision board templates that you can just swap out other pictures and just use yours. You do decide to make a physical board. You need the same materials as doing a vision board, either a cork board or a paper backdrop, cardboard, whatever you use, scissors and glues or pins. And then you just need to print out the pictures of what uplifts you. Find pictures either online, on magazines, or certain vision board kits that will give you the feeling of what gives you energy. If you notice that going for a walk gives you energy, you might want to put a picture of somebody walking on to your energy board. I've created a vision board manifestation bundle. It's a PDF with 30 pages that you can print out at home and just go through it. And there's a bunch of pictures, quotes, images, angel numbers that you can use for your energy board as well. It's only $2 with the code in my description and in the pinned comment. I mentioned this in my how to make a vision board that actually works video. I like to put pictures of people on a vision board of myself in a happy, healthy state on that. So for your energy board, For your relationship or your social interactions and energy givers, take pictures or add them digitally from people that uplift you, your friend circle, your loved one, your pet, whatever that is, and place it on that vision board as well. Maybe you received a really uplifting message from someone that brought you to tears and made you feel so grateful for them. Screenshot it, print it out, and place it on that energy board as well. If you have a whole playlist that you like, just screenshot the name of the playlist or certain songs, place it on your energy board. There is no right or wrong, just simply what gives you energy. Everybody's different. If you like plants, put a bunch of pictures of plants on there. If you created it digitally, I'd like to use as a wallpaper from my laptop or my phone. If you created it physically, I like to place it next to my vision board. And I'm gonna tell you now how to use them in combination. I mentioned this in the beginning, but sometimes when we look at vision boards, we might get intrusive thoughts, experience a feeling of self-doubt and if it's really going to happen. This is when you use your energy board. Once you have that feeling of, is it really going to happen? I don't know how, am I ever gonna get this? You're gonna look at your energy board and pick one or more things of your energy board that you can do right now that will instantly be a mood boost. So maybe it's that playlist that you printed out. Go listen to it. Maybe you need fresh air, maybe you need sunlight, maybe you need a glass of water. Do that. It almost acts like an action board where when we don't feel good about ourselves, this is what I can do to uplift myself. If we're focusing on the lack, I see other people having what I have and I'm jealous. I don't feel good about this. What can I do on my energy board right now that will boost my mood, that will bring me out of my thought spiral and bring me back into the present moment? I always like actionable tips like that to do something to get me out of a bad mood. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments on the topic of what gives you energy and how you might even want to try to protect your energy. I think you should watch this video next. Go and be your favorite self. I'll see you soon.